Hey, what's up guys? Today I'll show you a new crypto project, Learn2Earn project at an early stage. Let's look at their Twitter. They have a few subscribers. As you can see, they have only 1,600 subscribers. The project is in an early stage. It's really cool and you can follow them right now. The project is called Continuum. Here you can earn tokens or NFTs by learning or creating courses. It sounds really great, guys, and today we'll fully analyze what this project it is, how to use it, and how to earn rewards and NFTs by taking courses. Let's go to their website and find out more about Continuum. Let's get started. Alright guys, here we can see their website. I'll put the link in the description. Here we can see this is their website. Get paid to learn, short form video and content that earns rewards and NFTs. Here we can see NFT that we can earn and also tokens. Here we can see example of the courses where we can earn tokens, earn XP or gems by completing these courses. It's really cool. How about the partners? It's not the large crypto funds, but it's Shima Capital, GSR Ventures, Angelist Ventures. It's really great. They have a great idea. Okay, let's see how it works. As you take course, post content, grow your knowledge and engage in the community, you earn crypto and NFT rewards, and it's really cool. Also, you can check the team. Here their pictures. I hope you can check them on LinkedIn, their background, their portfolio. They have their own picture. It's really great. Okay, let's see why use Continuum. It's for learn, earn, connect, like discover educational content, knowledge and power, like you are earning tokens, and join a global community of creators, professionals, and so on. Okay, let's see Continuum features. Here you can see the app and the content inside the app, the courses and the tools. I think it's like you are earning gems, and maybe you can use them for something, and also I think you can earn XPs and up your level. Alright guys, you can learn about their mission for learners and for creators. Yes, it's very interesting. If you are a content maker, if you are professional and you can make courses, you can apply to become a creator and earn rewards. Also, they have Tokenomics and white paper where you can check about the project in details, and they'll have their own token UMM, like it's called UMM, and you can check here more about the project and their tokenomics, their allocation and investment overview, and so on. What else, guys? They have ongoing ambassador program where you can earn tokens as well by completing exact tasks. For example, you can invite 10 new verified members and earn 10 Polygon Matic tokens. So here the description, what you should do, and yeah, you will earn token if you complete these tasks. It's really great. I think there is no risks, and just you lose your time, and I think it's worth it. Oh yeah guys, I forgot to say that at the bottom of the website they have a link on their app where you can download on the App Store or on the Google Play and take courses. Yeah, it's really great. Yeah, maybe I'll do a review of their app in the next video, guys. Okay, let's summarize, guys, about the project. What I can say, I think it's really a great project at an early stage. You can join now, you can follow them now. I think they soon will generate their token and you will be able to earn their native token. It's really cool, guys. Follow them. I'll put all links in the description below, so join them, follow them, and thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and comment below, so I'll review more crypto projects at an early stage where you can earn tokens or NFTs. Thanks guys.